Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 2, Day 1. Listen carefully as I say two words, bug, rug. Bug and rug rhyme because they both end with the same sounds. Bug and rug end with ug. I will say three words, tell me which two words rhyme. Plum, gum, tag. Plum, gum. Bus, run, fun. Run, fun. Nut, win, butt. Nut, butt. Net, net, up, pup. Up, pup. Hug, bug, hut. Hug, bug. Tub, block, rub. Tub, rub. Okay, friends, today we are learning about short U, and this is the umbrella card, and the umbrella card says as in us and bug. So let's blend with short U, which says Here we go. Fun. Word, fun. Blend. Hug. Word, hug. Nut. Word, nut. Fuzz. Word, fuzz. Okay, here's a blend. Plum. Word, plum. Okay, let's look at some of these sounds. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Pull. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. T or d or ed. That's a tricky one. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Pull. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I. Okay, let's read some words together. Here we go. Mud. Word, mud. Bug. Word, bug. Okay, let's do another one. Can't blend yet. Now blend. But. Word, but. Word, hut. Fun. Word, fun. Word, cub. Up. Word, up. Us. Word, us. Okay. Let's let you have a turn. Okay, go ahead. 3. Blend. 3, 2, 1. Duck. Blend. Word, yuck. Blend. Word, stuff. Okay, now this time you're on your own entirely. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Then we'll say the word. And then see if you said the word correctly. 3, 2, 1. Rug. 3, 2, 1. Rag. 3, 2, 1. Luck. 3, 2, 1. Lock. 3, 2, 1. Truck. 3, 2, 1. Track. 3, 2, 1. Yelled. 3, 2, 1. Drum. 3, 2, 1. Skill. 3, 2, 1. Puffed. Okay, so we have a capital, so it's either a name, the beginning of a sentence, or both. Let's blend. Russ is, so it sounds like a name and the beginning of a sentence. So let's do that again. Russ is as snug as a bug in his bed. Okay, let's read that again fluently. Russ is as snug as a bug in his bed. So remember, fluently means we're reading it just the way we talk. So we're not pausing a ton. So we're not going Russ is So we're talking like we're reading like we speak. Okay, do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Legible? Yes. Spelling? Yes. And mark? I'll give you 3 seconds to tell me. 3, 2, 1. A period. Now a period means it's just a statement. I'm just telling you something. Okay, here's the next sentence. Gus plays drums and hums in the sun. Okay, let's do it one more time. Fluently. Gus plays drums and hums in the sun. Do we have our capital? Yes. Finger space? Yes. Legible, that means I can read it. Yes. End mark? Spelling? Yes. And my end mark today. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. A period. It's just a statement. Okay, let's do one more sentence. A hen clucks, but a duck quacks. So let's read that fluently. A hen clucks, but a duck quacks. So you'll see the comma. The comma means we're going to pause for just a moment. Do we have a capital? Yes. Finger space? Yes. Legible? Yes. Spelling? Yes. And our end mark today is a little different. 3, 2, 1. Exclamation mark. That means I'm going to show a little bit more emotion. So it's not a statement, it's an exclamation. Okay, here are our high frequency words for the week. This is the word could. Say the word with me, could. The word could is spelled C-O-U-L-D. Spell the word with me, C-O-U-L-D. Let's write the word could in the air, C-O-U-L-D. Could you pass the nuts, please? This is the word live. Read the word with me, live. The word live is spelled L-I-V-E. Spell the word with me, L-I-V-E. Let's write live in the air, L-I-V-E. And then the sentence, does a fox live in a den? This is the word one. Read the word with me, one. The word one is spelled O-N-E. Spell the word with me, O-N-E. Let's write it in the air, O-N-E. And the sentence, there is one frog on the log. This is the word then. Read the word with me, then. The word then is spelled T-H-E-N. Spell the word with me, T-H-E-N. Let's write it in the air, T-H-E-N. Let's read the sentence. What did you do then? We have a lot of question marks for these sight words. This is the word three. Read the word with me, three. The word three is spelled T-H-R-E-E. Spell the word with me, T-H-R-E-E. Let's write it in the air, T-H-R-E-E. Let's read the sentence. 3 black dogs run in the grass. Okay, here is our story for today. I'm going to let you go first. Together, hip, hop. Okay, these are words you'll see, so I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. See. 3, 2, 1. My. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. It. 3, 2, 1. In. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. Together. Hip, hop. Your turn. We're on this page now. Your turn. Together. Pam can see it. It can hop. You see the bunny? It can hop. Okay, your turn. Together. It can sit. It can see him. So the bunny can see the man. Okay, your turn. Together. It can see my mom. It can hop a lot. Your turn. Together. Can mom see it hop? It can hop, hop, hop. Your turn. Together. Hip, hop. It hid in a hat. Okay, so let's look at this. So today we're learning about singular nouns and plural nouns. So let's remember what we know about a noun. A noun is the person, place, or thing. So a noun, in this sentence, the cat is big. My noun would be the cat. Now, if that is called a singular noun, single. Now we're going to do a plural noun, which means more than one. The 3 cats nap. So my noun is cats, and we added the S because S means more than one. Cats. Okay. Now let's talk a little bit about a noun that ends with an X, S, or double S. So box becomes boxes. Do you see how we have ES? Bus becomes buses. And boss becomes bosses. Now let's explain why. This is the word box. If I just add the S, it'd be box. Does that make sense? I need box. No, you have to have the ES. I need some boxes. If I did bus and added the S, it'd be bus. So you have to have the U's to make it sound like more than one. Buses. Boss. If I add the S, boss. It'd just be 3 S's in a row. So you have to have that ES ending to make it sound like more than one. Boss becomes bosses. Okay, so this time we're going to look for the noun and see if it's singular, which means one, or plural, which means more than one. The 6 duck have mini brick. Okay, does that make sense? No, because 6 means more than one. The 6 duck or ducks. Ducks have many brick or bricks. Bricks. So we know that these nouns, person, place, or thing, these are both things. A duck is a thing and a brick is a thing. And they're plural because they end with an S. So that is a plural noun. It ends with an S. Okay, let's look at this last one. A frog got a lot of fly or flies. So we would say flies, right? And then is my noun, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Is a fly a person? No. Place? No. Thing? Yes. And flies, do you hear the S at the end? So that would make it plural, more than one. So the frog ate more than one fly. He ate many flies. So we add an S to show that it is a plural noun. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.